So over here, you can see that I have photo editor opened up in ILoveIMG. If you don't know how to access it, simply go to photo editor on the top and you'll have access to the photo editor and you can load up an image on it. So over here, what I'm going to do now is, let's say, for example, work around with the layering option. So whenever I actually go around over here, you can see that layer is an option right here. And right now, I only have this particular image. But if I were to add in some elements like stickers, like let's say, for example, if I were to add in a landmark, you can see that this is added in right here. So a layer is added in. You can click right here and another layer is added in right here, just like this as well. You can click on apply right here and you can see the sticker right here and the main image on the bottom. Let's just go ahead and close it, and then I'm going to go for draw. Let's just go ahead and select out a color right here, just like this, and apply right here. And that just stays right there on the object itself. But if I were to go around over here and add in text, you can see that another text layer is added in. So I can go ahead and type in something like TutorTube right here, apply, and this is what you have. You can go ahead and select color. And now, irrespective of the image right here, you can see that these layers, this is just drawn right onto the image, this line right here. But you can see that these particular elements right here are actually separate. So you can go ahead and edit it as you want. So I can see sticker right here just like this, and I got individual stickers. I can click outside. If I were to click, you can see that this overlaps, but if I were to click right here, it doesn't. But you can go ahead and, let's say, for example, keep the drawing over here on the bottom right here. So let's say, for example, so you can see that this is what you have. You can go ahead and keep it at the bottom of the main image as well, or you can go ahead and keep the main image up and rearrange this out as you want. So whatever order you see right here, that is the order you see over here as well. For example, let me just go around over here onto shape. So there's the polygon, as you can see right here. And now what I'm going to do is, let's just go ahead and then select this out right here, apply it out. So let's just go ahead and select out this image, and then I'm going to go ahead and select out the color. You can see that this polygon is on the top right now, just like this. But you can see that as I go up, you can see the text layer right here. This is on the top. You can go ahead and drag this down right here, just like this. So you can see that it simply goes down as you do that. So I can place it above the main image, that is the text, and you can see that this polygon right here comes up on the top and so forth. So this is basically how you can go ahead and rearrange out the layers right here under the objects. You can go ahead and access it by clicking on this button and then place out the elements right here as you want. So this is how you can actually go ahead and then work around with the layering concept inside of ILoveIMG's photo editor. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.